Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and access. Make a full backup to iCloud or local encrypted storage, because once you modify beta profiles, you want a safe rollback. Sign in with your developer Apple ID and confirm two-factor authentication is active. This prevents lockout when provisioning. Once done, update to the latest public iOS and Xcode releases and free up 5 to 10% storage so the beta installer can unpack and run without errors. You now obtain and install the developer beta profile. Download it from the Apple Developer Portal using Safari on the device and tap to install the configuration profile. Make sure to allow profile installation in Settings, then restart the device if prompted to activate it. Once the profile is active, go to Settings General Software Update, wait for the system to fetch the beta, and tap Download and Install. This sequence triggers the beta OTA, so monitor progress and battery level during the download. You finish by following the on-screen installation prompts. Allow the device to reboot and keep it plugged in to avoid interruptions. If the update stalls or won't verify, remove the beta profile from Settings, reboot the device, reinstall the profile, and retry the download. This often clears verification errors. If problems persist, restore from your pre-beta backup and report the issue through Feedback Assistant so Apple can investigate. This preserves your data and helps
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.